Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all my fellow viewers and subscribers. I greet you all depending on your location and on your time zone, and depending on the time you will see this video. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you all know, my name is Allison, African Allison TV. I talk about politics, what is happening around the globe, and also I talk about cosmetics, how to produce, house products, because I'm a cosmetologist. I know how to produce some certain things which you can use in your house, with like Isa, Dettol, air freshener, mosquito insecticide, rub, liquid soap, car wash, and all this. Even though the liquid soap that you can use and bar soap, I produce all these products. And the one that I can't mention self, there's a lot of produce I produce. Do you understand? A lot of products. But I am going to talk about the judiciary today. What I'm going to talk about, the topic is the Supreme Court correct the wrong judgment. What did I say? I said the Supreme Court correct the wrong judgment. As you all know, the petitioners, they are dissatisfied on the judgment which come out from the Presidential Election Tribunal, which held in Abuja, and they are heading to Supreme Court, which they are gathering their evidences. And I heard that the Chief Justice of Nigeria, who is by name Justice Ariwola, will commission or will organize the 9 panel judges that will sit on this case. I know that the judiciary system is now corrupt, but I believe that there are still the faithful ones among them. But the topic which I say, Supreme Court correct the wrong judgment, because if you do not, it will start affecting this country. You people may think that you are doing it for Tinubu, but it will start affecting this country because it is a wrong judgment. And when you people uphold that judgment, another person that will contest for an election will use it as an evidence because your people did not do the right thing. The Presidential Election Appeal Tribunal do not do the right thing. Rather, they manipulate the Constitution. First of all, I will talk about certificate forgery. The Constitution makes it categorically clear that a person who wants to contest for election must not submit any forged certificate, because if he did, automatically it will be he or she will be disqualified. But what happened in this 2023 presidential election? The person sitting on that seat as a president submitted a forged certificate, which all of you know that it is a forged certificate. But you people go on to uphold him as the president of this country. The Chicago University is now in court in Illinois in US. the presidential candidate, which is Atiku for the PDP, sue him and sue the Chicago University to court. Let them come and provide the original certificate of this president if they say that he attended their university. And on what I say? Yes, on 14th of September, they went to court. And what the lawyer of the Chicago University are saying that they cannot authenticate or confirm this certificate, which you people satisfy. It was signed by the Chicago University. Then why can't you people authenticate it or confirm it? Say yes, it is this certificate, and yes, this man called Tinubu really attend our university. What is the difficult in that? If people you come out today before yesterday in the media saying that yes, he really Tinubu, yes, he attended our university. He did. Then Atiku is asking for a simple thing. As like now, let me give you as an example. I own a university, and a student attended my university. Before I attended, he or she will have a record, and all his credentials must be in my university. Simple as that. What Atiku is praying for is for you people to show the credential or this original certificate if people claim that he attended your university. Simple and short. If people do that, then he will quit for that certificate of a sin. But people cannot do it. Then why do you people keep on saying that he attended? You say the person that attended university is Tinubu A. What was that? That A, which shows in that certificate that Tinubu submitted to the INEC, it shows that the area is a female, which is what they call it. But what I know is that it is a female, Adekunle. It is not Ahmed. Then why do you people being evil like this? The justices that passed this judgment on the Presidential Election Tribunal led by Justice Haruna Samani, does it mean that he did not read the Constitution? Is it because they bribe? Because of millions of naira, you manipulate what Constitution said, which you know that it is true that that man sitting there is not a legitimate president. And another point is 25% of Abuja. The Constitution make it clear and mandatory that anyone who wants to be president of this country must surely win at least 25% in Abuja. But you people just twisting that part of that constitution, saying that Abuja is a state. Abuja has automatically become a 37 state. Then why is it that the constitution say we have 36 states and capital? That and has already make that Abuja special, which means that Abuja is now a special state. But you say that why is it that Abuja will be a special state? Did they not have citizens? Is their citizen different? Then why did they not have governor? The Abuja citizens have come and say Okay, you have claimed that Abuja is not a same state. Then give us our governor. We want to have our House of Assembly, then our governor. Then let us know where the president will stay and rule the country. Will he go to heaven, or will he go to America, or one of these countries start to rule the Nigeria? You people know what constitution is, and the English which are used to write the constitution is not that difficult. It is a simple English. Or can you people? So what you people are telling me now, that you cannot interpret the meaning of and, conjunction. You cannot interpret it, or what? And another point is that the money for 400 and something thousand US dollar for future, which is a criminal case, but if people target a civil case, that it is not a criminal case. You people have given room for the criminal to start ruling the country, because a person will commit all the atrocity, must commit murder, still then he will contest for election. If you talk, he will refer you to the Tinubu case, that Tinubu was found with criminal case, but but the same Supreme Court or the same appeal court to uphold him, that and say that he can be the president of the country. And you people cannot do anything, because it's what people say. That's why I tagged this video, that Supreme Court should correct the wrong judgment. And other evidence, you people come out when this petition want to start. You people say that you people judge is based on the merit, but I listened to the judgment which is that held on 6th of September 2023. How you people use technicality, use this one to give the judgment. But if you say you judge is based on merit, okay. But what I'm saying is that Supreme Court, all Nigerians hope in you now. You people are supreme. Emulate other countries, emulate Kenya, emulate USA, emulate other countries, that their judgments are being, their judges are being respected. When a judge says something, give an order, the country must obey it. But in this country, it is not happening like that. A judge will give an order. A court will say, do this. The executive will keep the deaf ear. Even though the DSS, the common people in the country, the court will give an order. They will do as they want, to show that they not recognize you any longer. You people are now like a rag of pieces before them, because you people have soaked your hand in collecting bribe. You are not working for the president, you are working for the Nigerians. Ariwola, let me tell you, yes, it may be the president that appointed you, but he did not appoint you to work for him. You are appointed to work for the citizen. You are appointed to give the right judgment. Let the judiciary start having their respect. Please, I'm begging. Ariwola, wherever you are listening what everybody is saying on social media. You are listening to it. You want to inaugurate or commission the 9 panel judges that will sit in this case. Do not commission the corrupt one, please. And you, the judges that will be commissioned in this case, do the right thing. Let no one intimidate you. Do the right thing. Say what Constitution say. Please return your glory back, because the judiciary glory is being demolished and destroyed. Please, I beg you people, do the right thing. Judiciary, all these points that I have pointed out here: 1, the certificate from forgery; 2, 25%; 3, criminal cases, and a lot of things which you people know that Constitution frown against it. Then why are you people twisting the Constitution? You people are meant to be interpreting what Constitution say and exactly interpret it well, but you people are twisting it, beating around around the Constitution. That's why other country is seen us as a lawless country, country that does not have law, country that violates their law, even though in the court the DSS will come inside the court intimidating someone. You judges cannot say anything. What will you say? Because people have been their servants. They will say, hey, shut up. What do you need? Do you need money? They will bias you or bribe you with more money. I hope will be doing like an oppose. Stand up. The 9 panel of judges that will be judging this case, please stand up and say the truth. No matter, yes, the truth is bitter. No matter how it will be, Nigeria cannot be in chaos. There is nothing one man can do. The country is suffering. Look at our GDP. Look at our country is owning the debts which our country is owning is huge, which we don't know how to pay back. Because you are comfortable now, because you can go to anywhere you like, you can eat 3 times in a day. That's why you think that everything is good. Your country is not good. Please deliver the right judgment. Correct this wrong judgment. Deliver the right judgment. Please correct it. Yes, my fellow subscriber, as I say, my name is African Allison TV. Please share this video. Let it go viral, so that our judiciary will know that they are independent of their own and they ought to be respected. Let them not disgracing themselves. This case has gone to Supreme Court. Then let us wait and know whether they will completely disgrace themselves because of money. Judiciary, you are the one of the arms of government in any country that is being respected. Do not disgrace yourself. Thank you, and God bless you.